Let's see some interesting facts.
Geniophobia is the fear of chins. In ancient Greece, throwing an apple to a girl was a way to propose for marriage. If the girl caught it, that would mean she accepts. Bats are flying mammals. Did you know crocodiles are colorblind? Despite the hump, a camel's spine is straight. Sleep makes you more creative and makes your memories stronger. Did you know the winter of 1932 was so cold that Niagara Falls froze over completely? The Fabergé winter egg was sold in 1994 for $5.6 million. This is the most expensive decorative egg that has ever been sold. In 4000 BC Egypt, men and women wore glitter eyeshadow made from the crushed shells of beetles. Cheaters only need to drink once every 3 to 4 days.